no capital, no experience, no problem. Start a low-risk business with me broke and jobless. Keep getting rejected for lack of experience. Don't panic. We specialize in helping those with no money, no experience, and no connections start a legit business right from your phone. Why is this for real? Start with zero investment, no inventory needed. Headquarters ships for you. We teach you everything. Free training group with full support. Earn commissions passively. Exclusive authorization for big name health products. Every order means money in your pocket. 100% legal. Backed by a major company. All paperwork is legit and transparent, especially for savings under 1 yen. 000, but determined to turn things around. Moms or workers looking for a side hustle. People afraid of scams but still hungry for opportunity. Your 3 steps to easy entrepreneurship. Add me on WeChat. Gayo 767,301,666. Join the group for hands on training. Follow the steps and land your first order fast. The worst is where you are now. Taking a chance is how the future begins. Add me on WeChat and start rewriting your story today.